Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Back to another tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to bypass iCloud ID iPhone 6s to iPhone X without any ID device call support and mid device not support call. By the way, right now have call support mid device iPhone 5s to iPhone X. Must be need MacBook. If you don't have a MacBook, no problem. Also hacking touch working. So today I'm going to show you how to bypass iCloud ID. If you have a Windows operating system, how to bypass iCloud ID GSM device and mid device unthreaded. If you have MacBook, you can call support more cost right now. So as you can see, this is the iPhone 7. Okay, this is iPhone 7, iOS 14.4.2. This is the iCloud lock. Okay, as you can see, I will show you, then you will understand easily. I just open Theory Tools and I will show you. This is the iCloud lock inside iOS 14.4.2. I click activation lock and click start. This is the iCloud lock. As you can see, this is iCloud lock. Okay, so right now I need to unthread bypass. This is the MAD devices, so I don't have MacBook, that's why customer needs unthread bypass, no need SIM card. So if you have a GSM device, you can bypass same method. This is a mid device, so you can bypass with call support, need MacBook. And if you have Windows operating system, you can't bypass with call support. Okay, I hope understand. So now this is a serial number, I need to activate and close this one. I will show you how to active serial number. As you can see, the serial number I need to active. Now open Google Chrome and go to best of unlock, bestofunlock.com. This is a good website for bypass iCloud ID unlocking and remove iCloud ID, all option here. Now as you can see, this is a best of unlock. If you have any problem, you WhatsApp him, will solve your problem. This is a email ID. Okay, now need to log in. If don't have a, create new ID. Now click and open. If you don't have a account, must be create account. After create account and login your ID. So I have already created my account and click and now as you can see, after write password logging. Now as you can see, after login and need to add credit. If don't have add credit, first click here, click add, and there are more option. Select here and Bitcoin, Scale, Bcash, Payoneer, like that. So better PayPal and Mastercard is better. Okay, click here PayPal. After select, automatically minimum $10. If need more, just like that. Okay, after go to click submit and need add credit automatically. Okay, so I have already credit. And now click here and click IME service. After click IME service and select here. So I suggest here more option. As you can see, more option. So I need to select bypass iCloud. There have $7. This is a good for me. This is a MAI devices, no call support, only unthread bypass. And also you have, if need call support, select this one. But mid device not support call, without mid device call support. So right now new solution for mid devices, like this is a too much high price right now. After maybe 2-3 days, after 5 days, after 1 week, maybe down price. Okay, so I need to mid device. As you can see, this is a download link. Click here and this is download link. Okay, this is a download to link only Wi-Fi use. So this is a make device. I just unthread bypass. So click here. If you have the GSM device, no problem. Click like that and select number. Select CL number. The GSM device like that, and without mid device, click here. Okay. Now as you can see, I just paste CL number. Now one more thing. If need bypass with call support mid devices, this is iPhone 7. This is iPhone 7. How much? $60. Need also Mac operating system. Without Mac operating system, you can't bypass. Okay, so must be need operating MacBook operating system. Okay, so right now I no need to call support. I just unthread bypass mid devices. So select like that. This is also IKEA. So I select this one. Low prices here. More option. Low price $7. Okay, after click here and click and copy CL number. After copy CL number, paste like that. After paste like that, click submit. Automatically submit. Need go to here order history IME. Need to 15 minutes, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Automatically active CL number. After active CL number, I will show you how to bypass iCloud ID. This is a very simple. And after 15 minutes later, go to click order history, click IME, and as you can see, this is iPhone 7 register. This is complete. As you can see, complete. That means CL number is activate. Okay. Now how to download tool. Click here. If not showing here, click here and click IME service. After click IME service, same location select. Before which one you select. For example, I select this one, so I click this one. Now click here and click and download. So I need to download for bypass iCloud ID and click. Wait few minutes. After download, I will show you how to bypass iCloud ID. GSM device call support it, and mid device unthread it. If you need to call support it, you can active CL number form here. Different price. For example, let me one thing. If you want bypass mid device with call support it, as you can see, $70 iPhone 8 Plus. And if add credit from PayPal, so must be wait 72 hours. After 72 hours, you can active CL number or IME number. Remember, this is IME number system. As you can see, this is IME number. Okay, this is IME number system. So if add credit from PayPal, so must be wait 72 hours. So better if you need credit, add credit now. After 72 hours, you can work without any problem. Only for PayPal user. You pay for MasterCard and Scale Bitcoin, you can work right now without any time. Okay, now wait few minutes for download tool. After download tool, I will show you how to use this one. This is very simple. Okay, right now download. After download, click here, and as you can see, I need to extract. After extract, I will show you this, and click and extract. After extract, and let me one thing, click like that and open bypass tool. Click OK. After click OK, if coming like that, as you can see, if coming like that, how to connect? Your device already connected. Okay, already connected, coming like that. Okay, just close this one. After close this one, open 3U tools. after open 3U tools, and when open 3U tools, in same time click, and as you can see, same time open this one. Okay, now as you can see, it's connected. If not connect, so must be first open 3U tools, after open 3U tools, after open bypass tool, then automatically connected devices. Okay, now as you can see, I just show you, this is a iCloud lock. Okay, iCloud lock inside, as you can see, click here, click. This is iCloud lock. Okay, under activation, something like that, maybe internet solo. Okay, now as you can see, this is a iCloud lock. Now I close this one. After close this one, I just click active. After click active, need few minutes, few times. After successful, I will show you. Now as you can see, 96%, 100%. Okay, now click here and click. After click like that, and click, and as you can see, I don't connect the Wi-Fi, but they had showing next button. Okay, so like that you can bypass iCloud ID without any problem. This is the best server for bypass iCloud ID, as you can see. Okay, this is it. Without any problem you can do it. I hope understand how to bypass iCloud ID. Now if I switch off, no problem anything. Okay, switch off device, and again I open. Wait few seconds, I will show you, then you will understand easily. Just wait and see. Now as you can see, this is mid devices, so I can't call any device, any number, because I bypass with Windows operating system. That's why if you active with Mac operating system, you can call everything without any problem. I hope like this video. If like this video, please press the like button. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and miss another update.